Hello and welcome to the 3 days weather forecast from the Nigerian Meteorological Agency. Dry conditions are gradually returning to the northern parts of the country as a result of the predominance of the northeast trade winds, which are gradually moving into this part of the country and reducing relative humidity to about 30% and below, as we see in areas shown in brown. The southern parts of the country, where we see blue coloration, indicates relative humidity of about 70% and above. And so we have predominance of the southwesterly moist winds over these areas, with higher prospects for rainfall activities in the south than in the north, where conditions are drier. And so for the rest of Monday afternoon, we expect to see partly cloudy conditions over the north and thunderstorms around the southern parts of the country, with slim chances of some activities of thunderstorms around Abuja and its environs. Maximum temperature forecast for Monday is not expected to exceed 38 degrees Celsius over Maiduguri, and generally between 32 and 38 degrees Celsius over the northern parts of the country. Towards the central parts of the country, we expect to see a range of 29 to 34 degrees Celsius, and in the south, a range of 29 to 34 degrees Celsius. By Tuesday morning, we expect to see predominantly partly cloudy conditions around most parts of the north and the central areas of the country. Cloudy as we move towards the inland cities of the south, with slim chances of thunderstorms around the southeast coast of Calabar and also around the coast of Lagos. By afternoon, there are higher prospects for thunderstorms over the southern parts of the country, with slim chances for thunderstorms in parts of Nasarawa, Benue, and also in parts of Abuja and Niger State. The extreme north is expected to remain partly cloudy. And for maximum temperature forecast, we still expect to see a range of 34 to 38 degrees Celsius over the extreme northern parts of the country, 29 to 24 towards the central parts of the country, and 30 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius in the southern parts of the country. By Wednesday morning, partly cloudy conditions are possible over most parts of the country, as we see extending down to the inland cities, and cloudy conditions in the south without prospects for any rainfall activities on Wednesday morning. However, by afternoon, as the sun rises, we expect to see, and temperature rises, we expect to see more prospects for thunderstorms over the coastal areas and also parts of the inland of the southeast. We also expect some chances of thunderstorms around the central parts of Benue and Abuja, as well as Kwara State. The north is expected to remain partly cloudy. For maximum temperature forecast, temperatures are expected to drop slightly over Maiduguri to 37 degrees Celsius, but generally range between 34 to 37 degrees Celsius over these areas. Towards the central parts, we expect to see a range of 29 to 34 degrees Celsius. And over the southeastern parts are expected to experience a slight increase in temperature to about 30 degrees Celsius. And in Calabar, we expect to see 29 degrees Celsius, while Lagos and Abeokuta areas are expected to experience a temperature between the range of 32 to 33 degrees Celsius. This is where we draw the curtains for today's forecast. Thanks for watching. I remain Paul Ugba.